here.
A+++, Premier
Love
Ponds all the way. Thank you again so much.
Yay, go Premier Ponds.
That is interesting.
These trees look amazing.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Eric from Alexandria. When we moved in about 6 years ago, we had this beautiful waterfall. It was running great for about 4 or 5 years. And this summer we started to notice that it was losing water. We talked through with a couple contractors and they're like, yeah, we really have no idea. It's probably a cracked foundation, a whole bunch of money to refix this. We were actually really upset at that time. We were like, what are we gonna do? We had this just pile of rocks in our backyard. We love the waterfall, all that kind of stuff, and eventually found you guys, Premier Ponds. You know, ever since we started working with you and with Mike, it's been great. And he came out once or twice and sat down with us at the table, talked about all the problems, all the options, what he would do, the cost of it, all that kind of stuff, and it just blew our mind. It was absolutely amazing. We're so excited. We're looking forward to the project. Know you guys are going to do a great job, and it's just been a pleasure working with you so far.
All right, so Alexandria, Virginia, an existing water feature. I don't really necessarily know if it was a pond, but it kind of has a pond-like landing at the bottom, which we're going to use for our final destination for our pond list. It's all concrete. There's an existing deep area, and we're going to expand that deep area to put our vault and all of our infrastructure. And we're going to basically build inside this existing structure. We're going to get creative, make the waterfall kind of zigzag a little bit. The original water feature is very linear, so we're going to change that. We're going to make this look pretty outstanding.
Koozie with Premier here, and I am just as excited as can be for this build. Big focus here is water action. Sick, nasty, awesome water movement going. We're bringing Niagara Falls to Alexandria, VA, baby.
This way.
We can spin it off, like we can teeter it off of this one.
It wants to go on. Yeah, but it's got to come towards me and you.
Hey, my name is Alex Klotz, and we are here in Alexandria at my uncle's house. I'm from Richmond. Ever since I was like 6 years old, I've always been interested in water features, and I've even built my own aquascape inspired ones. When my uncle told me that Premier Ponds, a shout out to them for the shirt, by the way. He told me they were coming to rebuild his pond. I was like, I gotta come up here and get knowledge from them. This is something personally that I want to do as a career, so I was like, I have to come up and watch them do this so I can get more knowledge from the professionals. I'm willing to help out with anything on this project that they might need. I'm more than welcome to help them out with it.
Right on.
I love ponds, especially aquascape. Shout out to Greg Whitstock.
Way.
All right, so hold on. I'm going to flip the phone around here to our marketing guy and to Alex. Alex, that's Greg.
Hey, Greg. He has a lot. For a job, and when my uncle told me that they were coming here, I was like, this is the perfect opportunity for me to get my foot in the door.
Oh, that's pretty cool. And how old are you? I would love to have you come and see the Aquascape Academy.
All right.
All right, happy afternoon. We're still in Alexandria. Now we're laying some very thick underlayment because after that is liner time. We got to protect that liner. All the infrastructure is ready to go in. Then, once the liner's down, it's our rock party. Team like, but I do have a cross. It's about as good as it can get. We got a smoker with some nice meat grilling up for us right now. The vibe is great. We're just having our rock party. To my right here, our mystery waterfall. Looks like one rock, doesn't it? Ah, fooled you. It's actually two. And what I did is I took some moss, a little bit of foam, awesome stuff that we love to get on our hands. Put that in between the two rocks to blend them together. Now it kind of seems like it's all one rock. So when this is up and running, we got water racing down the hillside. We're gonna have a little bit of water running through here. Pretty cool effect. That's our mystery waterfall. And that's what the foam and the moss is all about.
Sick water movement. That's pretty much the goal.
Hey guys, this is Roger with Premier Ponds. I built most of this waterfall right here that you can see. We're looking forward to having some sick water action coming off of this side. And then this rock is right here for the sake of having water come off of this and then bounce off of that. And hopefully kind of go this way, kind of head in a few different directions. Another cool thing that I'm looking forward to with the sick water action, Prime placed these two rocks here to kind of pinch in and close in the stream at that section. So what we're looking forward to seeing is water kind of coming off of this, coming off of that, sort of dancing around in here and then kind of constricting through there. So like really cool and natural. We also have a bucket of moss, so that doesn't have anything to do with water action. We're gonna dot the moss in. Looking forward to a very eclectic stream. So yeah, that's what we're on today.
Because we have this kind of linear stream shape already here, we're trying to do the best we can to move the water around a little bit. So I've got the spillway set for the biofalls. That's going to crash down here and hopefully move the water around this way. I'm going to block this off and try to get this to pinch down really tight here, get a nice bassy sounding water to gush off of this onto the rest of the gut stream.
Alright guys, so it's helper Alex. I'm just hiding the overflow tube. It runs, follow my hand, it runs right here, and then the end of it is right here. So what I'm doing now is I'm just flushing this out with cobbles to make it look all natural. That's pretty much what I'm doing.
You ready? I'll put them with your pen.
2, 3.
Woo! Turn the hose, add a little bit more water.
Yeah. Oh.
All right, stunning. That's all I gotta say. Like, we came out here, worked with the confinements of the existing pond or pondless, whatever it was, had some massive boulders. Kevin saved a whole bunch of moss that we kind of dotted around in the project, made it look like it's been here for years. And words, it speaks for itself, so check it out.
Good evening, guys. We're closing out here on our project, and you know, you guys have been amazing, been great. Mike, everybody has been great. Shout out to you guys for including Alex in the adventure and teaching them something.
The waterfall is incredible. It's peaceful, it's beautiful, it's beyond our expectation. What artists you have, and we are so excited. We're gonna have many nights out here.
A+++, Premier
Love
Ponds
it.
all the way.
Really
Mike and the
work.
team is great. Thank you again so much.
Yay, go Premier Ponds.